I start by making a frame, and for the proportions I choose to have it on a 3:4 aspect ratio. Then I give it a border radius and add an image. I create a new layer above the image with a semi-transparent gradient to better show the text that would be above it in the next stage. I turn the frame into a component and duplicate it one more time for the hover effect state. I move the text outside the card area while keeping it still as part of it. I turn the gradient transparency to 0 and scale up the image. For the transition between the two components, I choose while hovering and Smart Animate with ease in and out, using a speed of 300 milliseconds to keep it smooth and appealing. Time for a quick test to see if I forgot something. It seems okay, but I think it would be more interesting to use a different shadow effect for each of the states. After doing the exact same process for 2 more cards, it's time to see how it looks in the set. That's it. If you liked this video and learned something new, please let me know in the comments below.